How do you think the branching paths are gonna work if they end up doing it? I mean, they are, but do you think it's gonna be like you chapter select, jump straight to the exact same point when the game makes the decision, and then it plays out the whole scene? Or do you think it's more of a critical decision, choose the answer, get into a battle, and then after the battle, it does its alternative solution or whatever?
Are you only worried about me because I look like that girl, you know?
If it's a zero time dilemma style, then that's not that bad. It should be fairly easy. We'll see. Because the whole idea of zero time dilemma is that you basically have to do every single branching path to potentially make the real ending come up. I don't know if this game will do that kind of thing, is the question. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking anyways. We'll see. Because again, if it doesn't have that much issue with like regurgitating, or if it doesn't even regurgitate any actual lines from like this playthrough, I'm fine. If it's new content, might as well. But I don't know if I'm gonna commit to like